Hey everyone, welcome back to AVC GO Gaming. Today we're unboxing and setting up the PlayStation 5 Digital Slim Bundle. Yes, the sleek digital-only version from Sony. I've got the box here, and I'll walk you through everything inside. Show how to hook it up and get it ready to game. Let's dive in. In this bundle, we have the console plus an extra DualSense, wireless controller, midnight black, and a DualSense charging station. Lifting the lid. First we see the power cables. The support legs for placing console horizontally. HDMI cable and the USB cable. DualSense wireless controller in white. So you have two controllers out of the box. Great for multiplayer. Inside we see the console wrapped up. Very neat packaging. Minimal protective materials. The design is really trim. Compared to earlier PS5 models, that Slim name definitely fits. On the front we've got the PS5 Slim logo, the Digital Edition branding. The PS5 Slim Console, Digital Edition, meaning no disc drive, all games downloaded. It's a strong bundle. If you don't need disc-based gaming, and if you play certainly digitally, this one's got you covered. Let's take a closer look at the console itself. Being the slim version of the PS5 Digital Edition, it keeps the same class-leading internal hardware, but in a more compact form. For instance, it features a custom high-speed SSD, which means much faster load times. It supports 4K gaming, up to 120Hz output, depending on your TV. Also features things like haptic feedback, adaptive triggers with the DualSense controller, and Sony's Tempest 3D audio tech for immersive sound. Since it's digital only, there's no disc drive, which helps it have a cleaner look and slightly smaller size. A good trade-off if you're all in for digital. We've got the main DualSense controller, and the extra one in midnight black. Plug the USB cable into the console or a wall USB port, and into the controller's USB-C port to pair and charge the first one. Then place both controllers onto the DualSense charging station. This is a big plus, so you don't have to wait for long charging. Turn on the console by pressing the PS button on the controller, or the power button on the console. You'll be guided through initial setup. Language, region, connect to Wi-Fi. Sign into your PSN account. Make sure to update to the latest system software when prompted. Once you're in the system UI, you'll see the home screen with the pre-installed game. For example, Astro's Playroom, which is included on all PS5 systems. Head into settings and make sure your display is set up correctly. HDR, 120Hz, is supported by your TV. Also in storage you'll see the built-in SSD, 1TB typical. Keep in mind some of that is used by system software. Then sign into the PlayStation Network. Set up your user profile, and you're ready to browse the PlayStation Store for games, or install existing digital games you own. Alright guys, that's the unboxing and setup of the PS5 Digital Slim Bundle here on AVC GO Gaming. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming game performance tests and gameplay footage. Drop a comment below on what game you're going to dive into first on your PS5. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. And game on. AVC GO Gaming.